Hello everyone and welcome back to GearUpWindows. If your PDFs, photos, videos or other files are opening in the wrong app, or you simply want to restore Windows original app associations, this video will show you the quickest way to reset all default apps in Windows 11. So press Windows plus I to open Settings app. From the left side, click the apps and then select default apps on the right pane. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You will find the option Reset all default apps. Simply click the reset button. Click OK. Windows will immediately restore all file associations to the apps recommended by Microsoft. This will not uninstall any of your installed programs or delete your files. It only changes which apps Windows uses by default to open supported file types and links. For example, if another program becomes your default PDF reader, photo viewer or web browser, those defaults will be restored to Microsoft's recommended apps. If you ever want to use a different application again, you can always return to the default apps page and set your preferred app as the default, and that's it. All it takes to reset the default apps in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.